At Tableau, we're always looking for new ways to help our customers spin up faster with Tableau Server. That's why we're really excited to announce an offering on the Amazon Web Services Marketplace for an auto pre-configured virtual machine of Tableau Server. What does that mean? Well, in the AWS Marketplace, you can go and find solutions and software that are pre-configured to launch on virtual machines in the AWS cloud. So if I go to the AWS Marketplace and search for Tableau, what I'll find is Tableau Server Bring Your Own License. This simply means that if you already have a license of Tableau Server, you can launch a virtual machine from Marketplace and just slap in your license code and you're good to go. Likewise, if you don't have a license but you want a trial, there's a trial for 14 days available as well. Let's walk through this. If I just click Continue, I pick the size of machine that I want, check to see that I've got a key pair, and then launch with one click, automatically AWS Marketplace is going to spin up a virtual machine in the background and then provide me the credentials to hit that directly and configure Tableau software. Let's go ahead and check and see how that console is doing. And if I go look at EC2 instances, what we'll see here is that we have an instance getting ready to spin up. Well, that's my server. And in a minute or two, it's going to be ready for me to log into. In the meantime, I'll get an email from the AWS Marketplace, but with links to Tableau resources. The very first one here links to our AWS Marketplace resource page and has a full end-to-end walkthrough video, as well as additional resources that we can use to spin up on what it means to be using Tableau Server and Tableau Desktop. Most importantly, if you don't already have a copy of Tableau Desktop Professional, you can get that here by simply entering in your email. Let's go check on that instance in our AWS console and see if it's running. Looks like our virtual server is up and running now. So to connect to it, all I'm going to need to do is click the connect button and I'll download a remote desktop file. There we go. And get my password real quick from the .pem file I had earlier on. Gives me my password. And now I can use that along with the remote desktop connection that I just downloaded. And now I'm logged into my virtual server sitting in the AWS cloud with a pre-configured instance of Tableau Server ready to go. I'm just going to go ahead and start my trial. And now register real quick. With my registration complete, a little window will come up telling me that my trial is good until 14 days from now. And then I just double click the Internet Explorer icon that says Tableau Server. And that will launch me directly into the creating of an admin account page. From here, I just create the admin account for my new Tableau Server instance. And voila, we are now logged in as an admin to a freshly installed pre-configured Tableau Server instance hosted in the Amazon Web Services cloud. From here, I'm now going to test whether or not I can hit this instance of Tableau Server from any machine. I'll go back to my normal laptop. I'll find the public IP in the console for AWS, open up a new tab, and now I'm prompted with the Tableau Server login screen. I'll go ahead and enter my admin credentials and confirm that I can hit this copy of Tableau Server from any machine now as long as I have the right IP and if I have the right credentials. So in just a few minutes, we went to the AWS Marketplace page and we launched a fresh virtual machine with a pre-configured installation of Tableau Server. And now I can load content into that, add users, and start collaborating on visual analytics with people on my team, with partners, and with customers. And all it took was a couple minutes. Again, for more information, be sure to check out our AWS Marketplace resource page where we have a full walkthrough as well as additional resources.